Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and I need to show you this awesome product that has become one of my best things to have when I travel. So if you're like me, you don't like to get to the hotel room and you may have a couple of people in one room and there's just not enough sockets. So this is a handy dandy travel plug. It is very useful. It has 3 plugs and 1 tiny little power strip. It fits in the palm of my hand. That is a wonderful, awesome thing because I could just throw it in my suitcase and have it ready when I need it. It also has 2 USB ports. So this little power strip is an awesome thing to have around. But not only do I use it when I travel, but I can use it around the house. A lot of times I'm sitting on the porch and there is not enough plugs, or I need to charge my phone. Well, I have my little power strip that allows me to charge my phone, allows me to plug in more than one thing, and it is just a wonderful product to have. I really love it. It's by TROND. It's called the Prime Nano. Nano because it's so small, very easy to use. You just plug it in and you start using it. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.